A very good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you something very tricky and very profitable trading strategy, and this strategy will work very gently. The ratio would be 70 to 80% the winning ratio. So let's start it, and it's a very simple and easy. I really don't know how the people are thinking that forex market is so hard, but I really think that forex is so easy. But you have to understand the chart and you have to understand the strategy. So this strategy is very simple. The strategy is called quick profit strategy. The strategy is called quick profit strategy, and let me show you how exactly this strategy works, and how easily you can find a trade, and how easily you can make a profit in the forex market. So let's start it. So right now I'm on the chart of GBP USD. So what I will do, I will go back and I will show you something very interesting. And this is not working one time, it will work 70 to 80% time. So as you can see, right now I am on this area, right? So what did you see? The price is going up, alright, and I have noticed that this particular area is acted as a resistance, and this resistance has been broke out by this bullish momentums. So what I will do, I will find the area, suitable area where I could place a buy or sell order. Like this, you have seen this area, it is also a resistance, okay, and this resistance has been broke out. Like, see, I'm gonna mark this area. So you see, okay, oh, all right, so you see this area is acted as a resistance, okay. Did you notice this area and this area, there is a wick, all right. This wick represent as a support, a resistance, and as you can see, this area has been broke out by this particular bullish candles. And after that, once the breakout is done, the price again came down to this area, and see, it went down and again boom up. So it hit the take profit, and the take profit would be the nearest support or resistance. Like this one, this is the nearest resistance I could see. So this will be the take profit. So as you did you notice? Okay, so let's go back and find out another opportunity. So as you can see, right now I am on this area. This is the current condition of the market. Just assume that it is the current condition of the market, okay. So what I have noticed just here, this area, did you notice this area acted as a support, and this support has been broke out by this bullish bearish candle, and after that it went down and again went up, and it touched this support area, again went down, and you notice this is the nearest support I could see, and it hit my take profit. So you have noticed this area. So let's go back and find another opportunity. It is not happening once, it is happening more than 70 to 80% time. This is how you going to read the market condition. So as you can see, right now when the price is in this area, okay, and I have just noticed that this area is a support area, okay. I really don't know what will happen next, okay. I really don't know what will happen next. So my assumption is I will place my sell order to this area, because this area has been broke out by this bearish candle. You noticed? Just so what I will do, I will place my sell order, and you know, my stop loss would be at least this area in order to get this much of profit. So price touch this area, and you see my take profit done. You know why I place my take profit like stop loss this much? Because this is the nearest resistance I could see. Hopefully price will go up and again came down. This is happening all the time, so you have to be very careful about this. So, and you have noticed since now I have made a 3 to 4 profit till now. Okay, so right now I am on this particular zone. Okay, price is coming down and I really don't know what will happen next. Okay, so I will simply wait, because this area, this resistance, this support has been broke out by this candle. Okay, and after that price went up and it touched this support and became a resistance. Now it went down. It will happen so many times, so many times. I'm gonna give you another example. You can see in front of your eyes like how this strategy work, and this strategy work for everyone, even those who are beginner, those who are expert. They can use this strategy and make much profit. Okay, right now did you notice I am on this particular area? I really don't know what happened to the next. So just now what I will do, I will wait, because this area is a support and this area is a resistance. So I will simply wait for the breakout to find a good opportunity. So I will wait. Okay, now I could see that the price is broke out this resistance. So what I will do, I will place my buy order, and you know the stop loss would be this much and the take profit will be at least this much. See, I have made my profit. In front of your eyes, it's happening all the times. So this is the world best strategy, I could say. If you use this strategy, you will definitely earn lot of profit. And if you find any kind of difficulty about this strategy, please write a comment so that I could help you out and make you understand how the strategy is working. So I hope this video is work for you, and if you really like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video those who really want to become a billionaire, millionaire in forex market. So please share it, and thank you for your patience. Have a good day and take care. Bye bye.